As she onward sped, I shook my head, and I gazed with a feeling rare. And I said, says I, to a passer-by, who's the man